I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Dart oil light. This is a common task after an oil change, and it's quite straightforward. You'll be able to clear that pesky reminder light quickly and easily, ensuring your dashboard reflects accurate maintenance status. Follow these simple instructions to get your Dodge Dart's oil light reset without any hassle. Let's dive right into the steps. First, get into your Dodge Dart and turn the ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine, just make sure the dashboard lights come on. Next, you'll need to fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times. It's important to do this within 10 seconds, making sure the pedal goes all the way down and then fully releases each time. This action signals the car's computer. After completing the pedal sequence, turn your ignition back to the off position. Give it a few seconds, perhaps 5 to 10, before attempting to restart your engine. Once you restart the car, check your dashboard. The oil change indicator light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If it's still on, you might need to repeat the process carefully. If the oil light remains on after your first attempt, don't worry. Simply turn the ignition off and repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing and full pedal depressions. Also, make sure your oil change was actually completed. And speaking of keeping things running smoothly, remember to stay hydrated yourself. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.